As they settled with Bumblebee very quickly at the start, moving up by the Real Heroics, Lucky, Be Lucky in the middle, then followed by $1 million, and on the outside comes Acquirement. We have $1 million moves up by about half length, Heroics in second, moving upon the outside Acquirement. Bumblebee comes next, while Lucky, Be Lucky is in behind them. Another pattern, we have Acquirement, moves up by about half length, $1 million running by the length and he had back in third comes moving upon the outside Bumblebee, and on the outside comes Lucky Be Lucky to take the lead, and Diana went entering the corner. Four runners now in a battle royale. Lucky Be Lucky is on the outside. Bumblebee moving up by the last 100 meters to go. We have Bumblebee by about 2 lengths, followed by Lucky Be Lucky, and finally it's Bumblebee. Lucky Be Lucky.